Good evening, friends. Today's my lecture topic is India-France relation, and I will be covering my topic in few subparts, which include the history of both the relation, then the importance of France for India, the recent developments, the challenges, and at last the solutions. So, starting with what is the history? As we all know, that the France was among the few European countries who invaded India in early 1600 centuries after the end of Mughal emperor. But the French East India Company had to leave after the defeat in the Battle of Vandivash. And the formal relation between both the countries set up after the independence of India in 1947, and the relation have been very good since then. In fact, France also supported the India's 1998 Pokhran test, and also France has been supporting India in terms of the J&K issue and opposing the Pakistan, and at the same time helping India against fighting the terrorism. Also, being a permanent member at the United Nations Security Council, France has been supporting India to gain a seat, permanent seat at the UNSC. Talking about the other areas of cooperation, both the countries have also set up a international solar alliance, and India and the France are the major leading leaders in that. And also, France has been supporting India in terms of the defense also, as both the nations have various military exercises like the Shakti, Varuna, and the Garud exercises of the Army, Navy, and Air Force. And also, France has been exporting India various defense equipments like the Rafale 4.5 generation fighter aircraft, and also the Mirage 2000, and also under the project P75, France has given India 6 Scorpion class submarines, and in various other further defense equipments. Now, talking about the importance of France for India, France is a very much important partner of India, as France is a only P5 country which is supporting India for the need of permanent seat at the UNSC, and also fighting against the terrorism. And also, as India want to be a self-reliant in terms of the defense manufacturing, France is helping in that sector too by giving its technology. Now, talking about the recent developments, as recently in the May, when the French President Emmanuel Macron was re-elected, our Prime Minister Modi visited the France and congratulated him personally. And also in the G7 meet, both the leaders met and discussed on various issues. And also, France is helping India in terms of the climate change and also the green energy. Now, talking about the challenges which are occurring, so both the countries face a common challenge, which include the very first is the terrorism, as you all must have heard about the Charlie Hebdo case which happened in the France, led to the communal violence and also various terrorist activities. And also India is facing terrorism, so both the countries are cooperating in this against the terrorism. And also the China's growing influence in the Indian Ocean region, as France has also a island in the Indian Ocean, that is the Reunion Island. So France is also very much concerned about the China's dominance, and both the countries are cooperating to tackle China and its growing dominance in the world economy. The other challenge is the so far India has not been able to sign a free trade agreement with the European Union. So France, being the which is considered to be the leader of the European Union, can help India do a agreement for the free trade agreement. Now, talking about the solutions or the way forward, so in my opinion, France is being the new best friend of India, as it is helping India in various sectors, like in the defense sectors, in the space sector, in the agriculture, in the green energy, and various others. So India need to build a more better relation with the France, and both the countries need to cooperate more. Thank you.